At RMIT Vietnam, students have countless opportunities to grow into effective, authentic, and inspiring leaders. The Student Leadership Program helps you to understand your value, set goals, and take action. By joining, you not just grow yourself, you create a real impact in your community.
So, what do I actually do if I join?
Do you only take senior?
Does it really make me a leader?
But seriously, how does it benefit me?
What are the benefits? Students in the program often talk about how much they have grown awareness or discovered new strengths. For me, I gained confidence.
I also learned to grow into a better communicator and teammate and a good listener too.
For me, professionally, I left the program with a real project management experience and event organization.
Leaders sound scary. I've seen those around me. They're always outgoing and loud. But I'm kind of introverted.
I'm an introvert too, but you don't have to be loud or a center of attention to be a great leader.
Really? But most good student leaders I know are very outgoing and good at networking.
Many of the inspiring leaders that I admire are quiet observers and listeners, just like you. This program lets you grow at your own pace. You don't need to change anything. You just need to be open to learning and growing.
But isn't it a bit too academic? Yeah, I know you're in a program, but I just have a lot of lectures and schoolwork.
Well, thank you for being honest with me. But if you are picturing endless lectures and note-taking, it's actually quite the opposite.
Like what kind of activities?
We have workshops and trainings where you can draw, move around, or even games, and do lots of fun team-building activities. Everything's interactive.
So how do I turn what I learn into practice?
Well, you practice as you go. If you are the dual type, there's plenty for you to jump into, like the Student Leadership Camp, the Emerging Leaders Project competition, or you can run your own community projects with funding from the Leadership with Action microgrants.
So, are you participating in the program?
Not anymore. I used to be a student leadership catalyst.
Oh, what's that? What year were you in back then?
So we support the program in delivering activities for RMIT students. When I joined, I was in year 1, same as you.
With so many activities, I thought it was just for seniors.
It's a common misconception. The program is open to all students, no matter what year you're in or what you're studying. You can choose what suits you, one-off activities or long-term projects.
Oh, okay. I think I get it now. Thanks a lot. Let me check. There's 2 ways to join. First, simply join the activities.
Second, you will become a student leadership catalyst if you want to take it another notch, helping deliver activities for RMIT students. But will joining really make me a leader?
I just have this one last question. Will joining this really make me a leader?
Before I joined, I thought leadership meant titles, like being club president or the loudest voice in the room. But I learned that leadership starts from leading yourself. It's about knowing your values, building confidence, and setting goals. The Student Leadership and Development Program gives you the tool and space to do just that, to work with others, create impact, and discover your own style. Whether you are outgoing or reserved, just starting or about to graduate, this program helps you grow in ways that last beyond university. Because leadership isn't about being perfect, it's about being willing to learn, grow, and make a difference. And that journey can start with you.